Yummo. Let me tell you, there are some nights when you get home, the day has been long, and the last thing you want to do is spend hours in the kitchen. Well, guess what? This tortellini soup is all of that and more. It's a one-pot wonder, which means less mess and less stress. We're talking about a meal that comes together in about 30 minutes, but tastes like it's been simmering away with love all afternoon. It's hearty enough to be a full meal, packed with savory sausage, tender veggies, and those delightful little cheese-filled pasta pockets. All right, before we get that pot sizzling, let's make sure we have all our players on the field. Olive oil, about 1 tablespoon of evu. That's extra virgin olive oil, my friends. Italian sausage, 1 pound of it. Onion, 1 medium yellow onion, chopped up. Garlic, 3 to 4 cloves, minced. Don't be shy with the garlic. Carrots, 2 medium carrots peeled and sliced into little coins. Chicken or vegetable broth, 6 cups. Diced tomatoes, 1 14.5-ounce can, and don't you dare drain it. Cheese tortellini, 1 9-ounce package of the fresh kind you find in the refrigerated section. Grab a big pot or a Dutch oven and place it over medium-high heat. Drizzle in that tablespoon of evu. Take that pound of Italian sausage, remove it from its casings if it has them, and crumble it right into the hot pot. Use a wooden spoon or a spatula to break up the sausage into smaller, bite-sized pieces as it cooks. We want it to get nicely browned all over. Add your chopped yellow onion right into the pot with the sausage. Toss in your minced garlic and stir it around for just about 30 seconds to a minute. Grab your sliced carrots and chopped celery and toss them right into the pot with the sausage, onion, and garlic. We're going to let these veggies cook for a few minutes. About 4 to 5 minutes should do the trick. Grab that can of diced tomatoes, undrained, remember, and pour the whole thing in, juices and all. Also, sprinkle in that heaping teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Stir everything together until it's well combined. Grab your chicken or vegetable broth, all 6 cups of it, and pour it directly into the pot. As you pour it in, use your spoon to scrape up any browned bits that might still be stuck to the bottom of the pot. Now, we're going to bring the whole thing to a boil. As soon as the soup reaches a rolling boil, immediately reduce the heat to low, so the soup is just gently bubbling. Now, you're going to let it simmer like this for about 10 to 15 minutes. This is the part where you can walk away for a bit. It's time for the moment we've all been waiting for, the tortellini. Gently add the tortellini to the simmering soup. The tortellini will cook very quickly, so keep an eye on them. You'll know they're done when they plump up and float to the surface. Grab that big handful of fresh baby spinach and add it to the pot. It will wilt down to a fraction of its size in just a minute or two. Slowly stir in your half cup of heavy cream or half and half. Then season with a little salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. And that's it. Your soup is done. Ladle it up into big bowls. A generous sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese is a must for me. And a little bit of fresh chopped basil or parsley adds a final pop of freshness and color. In about 30 minutes, you've created a pot of the most amazing, comforting, and delicious tortellini soup. The best part about cooking is making a recipe your own, so think of this as your starting point. You could try using different kinds of sausage, or even add more veggies like zucchini, mushrooms, or kale. So get in that kitchen, make a big pot of this liquid comfort, and enjoy every single spoonful. Happy cooking!